Hey everybody, this is Sam, coming back with another video. Today, we'll be looking at something a little bit different rather than a product. Here, I have a in-home COVID test. It's been approved that they can send these home. You take the samples and you send it back. You order it through this company, Picture. I don't know why it's called Picture, but you don't order it from here, this website. I'll put it down on the link and I'll show you the page. So this is what it is. It came in a Fedex bag, just like this. This is a return bag. After you take the samples, you put it back in here and then drop it off to FedEx. It should get there in a day or so. So you do have to register with an email, and you sign up with an account, and you answer a couple of questions, and you order the kit, and they will send it to you. Now, before you send it back, here you have to activate this kit. The kit is registered to you only. It's not transferable because it will have your information. Somewhere here there's a barcode. I'm not going to show it. This barcode is tied to me. Now I ordered this kit home. It's better than signing up for the drive-through, where right now it's almost a 2-hour wait. I am in LA. We have a huge surge. I don't have any COVID issues. I don't have any symptoms. I just wanted to make sure that I didn't really catch it, or I am asymptomatic. If I am, then I would stay in for a few days, so I don't really go out and give it to other people. So here's the inside. This is what it comes with. This is the FedEx bag. This is the hazard bag, the swab, and the tube. And something to seal the box. So this is that. A little instruction booklet. It's asking you to clean your hand. That's what you need to do. Take the tube out, put it into here, this hole, just for the meantime. The swab. Let's show you the swab. Here's the hazard bag. The swab, the nose swab. And you can break off. There's a piece here you can actually easily for you to break off. Here's the tube. Again, I'm not going to show you the barcode. There are some solutions in there. Don't pour these solutions. It is used to maintain the virus or any germ that's alive. So there's a seal to close the seal. So you just basically, it tells you to put it up to the top of your nose. You don't try to force it in. And once you reach the top, just kind of twist and turn the swab a few times, and then do the same on the other side of the nose, and then drop it into the container and break off the extra long piece, and then close the bottle, and then bag it, drop it off to FedEx, and away it goes. So again, swab, tube. So before you start, yes, they want you to put it here just for easy access. And once you take that, put it in here, close it, seal it, and bag it with the FedEx bag, and send it off to FedEx, and you should be able to. They should be able to get you a result really quickly. This is my first time ordering this from the city. For LA residents, LA County residents, I believe it is free. But for people elsewhere, I think there's a fee. So I know it's not fair. Hi, so I'm gonna do my test right now. First you have to activate again. You have to activate the kit first. Inside the box, there is an activation code that you need to put in your login there. So you activate it. Have this tube ready. Open the swab. I'm not gonna show you when I'm poking my nose, but the instructions in the website can tell you how to do that. Popping my nose right now, both sides. Let's turn it a few times. Put it in here. Break this off. Put this cap back on. Make sure it doesn't leak. Put it in the hazard bag. Seal this. Take the seal. I'm gonna put this back just for the box to fill it so it doesn't bounce around. So take this. Seal it. Put it into the Fedex bag. Hopefully, this would be a little easier for some people. You sign into your account, then you set an order. You can set an order for yourself. You can order the kit for, your family as well. But it is not transferable, so you have to do the orders individually. You order one for yourself, and then once the order goes in, and then you do the next order. You have to do that. It's a little complicated on the website. You have to kind of go through and find. You need to log in. You need to log into your account, and then go through the order process and make sure make sure the person that you are ordering for, you put their name in, their information, and as well as a few COVID questions such as, you have any symptoms, you come in contact with anybody, all sort of that questions. That's it for right now. Again, if you like what I do, please give me a like. If you don't, that's okay. Thank you for watching. And then if you want to see more random videos, I don't have any like one category of items. I do whatever I have that comes in for me. So anyway, if you want to see more, subscribe. I do appreciate your spending time. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Be safe.